Hi everybody, this is Tonia from Vegan in Michigan. I'm at SASHA Farm right now with these lovely, lovely people, the owners and volunteers of SASHA Farm, and I'm insanely excited, like a city girl at a farmhouse, but I'm going to try to make this work today, and I'm not going home until I'm dirty. So this is Dorothy, one of the owners here at SASHA Farm. And Dorothy, will you introduce everybody and like say what their titles are or what their jobs are here?
Sure. This is Harley.
Oh, yeah.
We'll make him first. He's a wonderful dog. Wonderful dog. He's 10 years old. This is Sofia. She is our animal care extraordinaire. She's working here full time. Lives just down the road. It's perfect.
Yep. Yay.
Yeah. She's there for emergencies. This is my husband Monty. He's in charge of cutting, mowing, fixing, picking up animals, pretty much everything that needs to be done. This is Tonia, who we will get dirty today. We will get her dirty. Nice. And this is John Rogers, our long-term loyal volunteer. Aww. Comes all the time. And that beautiful white dog is named after him.
No way, really?
And who are you?
That's so cute.
Oh, well, she introduced me. I'm Dorothy. I'm the director. It's my fault. Dorothy Davies. Yes, okay.
I have a feeling Dorothy's very humble because I think you're probably like, you know, how did this all start?
Lived in the city, didn't like it anymore. Moved out and bought this farm. It was pretty much stopped here. This was just weeds and field. And because we were vegetarian and then became vegan once we hit this place some 40 years ago, practically.
No, 30 something years ago.
20.
No, I thought you said 40.
I said, well, probably 35.
35, okay.
35, yeah. People started bringing us animals because they knew that we wouldn't eat them.
Yeah,
And it grew, and it grew, and it grew. And I was the director of the library in town. I gave that up to form a sanctuary.
Oh my gosh.
And we've been growing ever since and putting up buildings. And now we're at some 250 animals here now. It's a lot of work, but it's really rewarding. We save a lot of lives. I wish I had a count of how many lives we've saved, but in the beginning, who would have thought, you know, it'd be around this long. Probably well over 1,000, I'm sure.
Well, and you know what? Not to mention, like, okay, you've saved the lives of the animals that have come here and spent the rest of their lives here, but I know that you guys have had tours and visitors and inspired people at Veg Fest and all of the work that you guys have done, and like every time you set it out that you're an animal sanctuary and educate somebody on what you do here, you've saved countless lives, not just the lives that have lived here, but you've changed the hearts of a lot of people.
That's point well
you know?
taken. You know, a lot of our volunteers have come, and they're either just starting as vegetarians or even meat eaters, and a lot of them want to get
Yeah, it's countless.
because of this place.
Because, yeah, you hang around these animals a while, it starts to get in your head, you know, that you can't stand the thought of them going to be slaughtered, so you make that change. The animals help more than we do, I think.
Well, sure, they speak for themselves.
Yeah, and you know, the irony here is that we're playing with Harley here, my new friend, but like, I think the point that I learned when I went vegan is that there's no difference between Harley and, you know, our feathered friends or the cows that we're going to get footage of course, you know. There's no difference. I mean, he wants love, obviously.
Yes.
We're just good friends now, aren't we? Huh? Come on, sit down. We're just good friends. So there's no difference between, you know, the animals that are here and Harley. He just happened to be the first one I came upon. That's all.
Yeah.
You want to take this out in the field?
What?
You want to take this out in the field?
Yeah. Yeah.
Sophie came here as a volunteer and loved it so much that now she lives here.
Cool. Oh, do you?
Yeah, I came up from Texas. So. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Cool. So I guess we're going in the field now and gonna meet some other beautiful animals. So this is John Bon Jovi, I heard?
Yes.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, look at that face.
How do you remember all their names?
There's Little Edie and Big Edie. Little Edie and Big Edie.
Big Edie's his mother.
Yeah.
So she has her brother here and then her mom as well. So they all.
A macho. This is a boar goat. That's a little pygmy.
Oh, great. So I'm glad I asked. Though they really are different kind of breeds.
That's a Toggenburg.
Oh, that's beautiful. He's beautiful.
That's a Nubian right up on top there. That's a Nubian. That used to be our favorite breed.
We heard that they were human scratching posts and Dorothy wasn't lying. Hey, sorry, do you mind telling me what you just said again? Like you were kind of worried about being upset here?
I was worried about being upset because I was worried about the animals. We all upset.
But it's a good thing.
I was worried that they were going to all be rescue animals, and they are. And I was worried about getting upset, and
you are.
and I am getting upset, but thank God.
But in
for
a good
them.
way.
In a good way.
Yeah, in a good way.
Thank God for
Oh
this
yeah, it's in a
place.
good way. These animals are pretty happy. Yeah, we got.
Oh, you can
these
tell.
animals are pretty happy.
You can totally tell.
Yeah, they're totally in their environment. They got a good life here.
Yeah.
We're always looking for new volunteers. They can go on our website, email volunteer, I think it's volunteer, right? Volunteer. Volunteer at sashafarm.org. And since I'm a volunteer coordinator, I'll get all those emails. So yeah, just give us your availability and we can sort through them and everything.
Great, okay, cool. And that's actively needed right now? Like you guys are always looking?
Yeah, yeah, any time. I mean, if we don't have a space, or if their schedule doesn't work with our schedule, then we can kind of like let them. We'll get back to them if we do need their help for that specific day that they had available, or if they, their schedule changes, we can always work with them that way too.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Well, no, they.
That's the big thing. They just took it.
Oh, beautiful. Woo! Goose me.
This is Beamer, yeah.
Bima. Oh my goodness.
He was destined to be used to plow fields for a humane dairy. Okay, really?
Oh, did you hear that star? He was destined to plow fields on a humane dairy. But now he's here just chilling, living his own life.
Watch your feet.
You have to work.
Oh,
The
baby.
little one too, because he's heavy too.
I'm not sure what was going to be humane about that place because I asked,
Yeah.
what are you going to do about the babies? Well, we'll sell them. Oh, okay. You're being pushy.
Oh my goodness. Oops. I just like ramming right into you, don't they? Yeah. Do people like help out financially too? Like how is it, do you guys run on donations too for the farm?
Oh, more than help out.
Yeah.
If we couldn't exist without them,
That's our main, that's pretty much our only funding is donations. Like we don't get any government help, nothing like that. So
Yeah, a lot of people think we get something from the government. No.
How can people donate to the farm or help out?
There are links on our website. Make it easy if you use your credit card. A check is always good.
I'm not going to turn that away, huh?
The universal gift card. Yeah, we have a wish list on Amazon. People would like to. We get a lot of good stuff that way. Attend our events. Those help.
What kind of events do you guys have?
we have one coming up in May. It's called the Spring Social. So it's one of our first fundraisers of the year, and it's you get to interact, meet some of the animals, hear their stories. There's food trucks, things like that, information, like vegan information as well. So yeah, get a good turnout most of the time.
Oh, by the way, this place is run mostly by women.
Woohoo! Does that include you? Are you run mostly by women?
Well, that's debatable.
I run him.
Hi. Did you want some attention? Did you want some attention from us? Huh? Did you not get enough attention in the barn? Huh? I think we were loving you already. Huh?
These are all males in a dairy operation, so
Yep.
they would have been turned into meat.
Yeah.
And Sophie bottle fed them, that's why they like her.
Aww.
All 5 of them.
Yeah.
It was a lot of work, but it was really, really fun.
I would have cried.
These are boy babies, and they are considered useless in the dairy industry. So they are not allowed to live. So these are some lucky babies. I think they know it too. I think they know it. They're spoiled. Come on, you guys have company. They're gigantic. Oh my goodness. Oh, hi, oh my goodness. Are they friends? It's who?
They'll have to pick Juniors now.
June. Well, hello, gorgeous.
I drove all the way to Iowa to get Johnny. These are new ones we got.
Yeah, the little
I don't know their names yet. Sugar or something.
I don't know, we had sponsors.
That was the one.
And these
Muddy.
Babies.
You're all muddy.
That's her.
Look at that, a happy baby. Well, Starla and Daisy and I just want to say thank you to you two for the tour, the beautiful tour, and for spending time with us. Thank you so much for sharing the babies with us. I really had a great time, and I
did too.
Yeah, this has been a dream
It has.
for us city folk.
You never know what's going to show up here.
So thank you guys so much.
Thanks for coming.
Very nice meeting you.
Mwah.